Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact distro name, run WSL list verbose so you know what to remove. Once you see Ubuntu, close every terminal and stop the subsystem using WSL shutdown to avoid corruption. Then export or backup personal data with WSL export Ubuntu tar so you can restore later. This ensures you won't lose configs or projects. After the export completes, proceed to unregister the distro to delete its virtual file system safely. Now you unregister the distro to remove its VHDX and registration. Run WSL unregister Ubuntu. This permanently deletes the distro state, so make sure your backup completed. Next, check %user profile %app data /local /packages for any Ubuntu or canonical folders and delete them to reclaim disk space. Sometimes remnants remain. If you created an export tar and you no longer need it, delete that file. Once these steps finish, Ubuntu is gone from WSL, but WSL itself may still be enabled. To fully remove the subsystem, disable the Windows subsystem for Linux feature. Open Windows features or run PowerShell as admin. Disable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux. After that, reboot to apply changes. If you encounter errors, rerun WSL unregister for any listed distros, and inspect Event Viewer under Applications and Services logs for LXSS Manager entries to identify permission or file lock issues. Then retry after closing blockers. Make sure to restore backups only after confirming the environment is clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.